Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Here I am in the bathroom at Shave Nation, and I'm not sure if you remember or not, but a little while back I posted a video where I made these shelves right here. I was in drastic need of some organization for my safety razors and some of these shavette razors here. I had them just in a big pile, so I needed to straighten things up. I had some extra melamine left over from a different project here in the shop. So I ripped the wood and I made these shelves right here, mounted them to the wall. Nothing too fancy. They didn't need to be fancy. This bathroom's kind of rough over here. This is melamine. You might ask, what is melamine? Well, melamine is the common name for particle board that's coated with a thin layer of plastic finish. The melamine finish is similar to the plastic laminate on countertops, but it's not as thick. The advantages of building with a melamine coated product are its durable finish and its relatively low cost. I used the leftover melamine. I ripped these pieces and then mounted them to the wall with these little shelf brackets here. Again, check out the video, you'll see how I did that. The not so professional part of the job was this right here. Once you rip the melamine, you remove the melamine coating from the particle board, and this is what it looks like. So I wound up with melamine on top and bottom of the shelf, but just the rough finish here. You can actually hear it. If I run my finger on this melamine, it's quiet, but if I run it on the rough finish, you can hear the difference. I was actually just going to paint the edges of these, but I thought that would look kind of rough. You know, sand these down, paint, you're still going to see the rough finish underneath. You're going to see that particle board, all those little nooks and crannies on the particle board. So I did some searching and I found a product that was called white edge banding. The size I got was the perfect size, 3/4 inch, and it comes in a roll just like this. You can get any size you want, but I ordered a 25-foot roll because I have a few shelves to do. And let me show you the coolest thing about this. You can cut it very easy. It's very smooth melamine on one side, but on the other side, it's kind of a rough finish and it's got glue on there. Glue is embedded in the tape. So you can just cut this like so with the scissors. Boom, just like that. Nice and easy. I've already pre-cut a couple of pieces and I'll show you how we can go from this rough finish here to this really nice custom finish. So no one will even know that you ripped your boards and you had the exposed particle board and covered them up with the melamine banding. So I'll show you. All you need to do this, your white edge banding, 3/4 inch is the perfect size for my shelves. And then this is just a little sanding block. You can use this for drywall. You can pick one of these up at the Big Orange, you know, any hardware store will have this sanding block. It's flexible. These are great for all kinds of different things. Sanding wood, sanding drywall, all kinds of good stuff. So just take this, just smooth it out a little bit. And give it a wipe down. Just remove that powder coating that's left on there. The only other thing you need to do this, and your wife's not going to be very happy about it, is your iron. Or her iron, I should say. So all you do, set it to cotton. I've got it set to cotton. I don't know if you can see that, but it's the blue light there, right by the setting that says cotton. I think it's 200 degrees. That's where you want to be. That's the recommended temperature, 200 degrees. So I'm going to start in the right corner over here, the far corner. All you do is lay it flat, and I use my thumb and forefinger just to center it on the shelf, and then just use the tip of the iron. Just get it started right there. Lay it flat across the front. You want to keep the iron flat on the surface at all times so it gets nice even heat flow, and just follow it back with your fingers. Make sure it's even top and bottom. Don't burn your fingers doing this. Just work your way back. It's kind of like when you shave with a straight razor and you follow your fingers down to stretch the skin. That's about exactly how this is right here. So if you turn it this way, you can get a more flat surface on it. Just keep working your way down. all the way to the edge. Let the heat from the iron do its job. If you happen to make a mistake, you can just reheat the area and then remove the banding and move it to the proper position and just reheat it and apply it again. All right, there you go. Look at how nice. Looks like a professional job now. No more ugly particle board showing. Looks way better than just having that naked particle board. So if you want to pick up some of this white edge banding, I'll put a link down below the video where it says show more. Just click and you can grab it right there. When you're done with your carpentry project, you can go shave so you can be looking as sharp as your shelves. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor before I head out. Please click that subscribe button down there and then click the bell up there and then click all so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox and you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.